If your iPhone narrates everything what you do on the home screen, like selecting an app or touching an app, then what you do is tap and select setting at first. Now you have to double tap on settings to open it. Select general, double tap on general. Select accessibility. Now double tap on it to open it.
Select general, back button.
Select voiceover. Double tap on it. Now select voiceover. Now double tap on this toggle button to disable it.
Voiceover off.
Now the voiceover is off, and whatever you touch on the screen, it won't be narrated. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.